Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. I'm very excited to share with you this new project called as LayerPano3D. It's a new framework which is used for generating immersive 3D panoramic scenes from a single text prompt. The framework aims to address the challenges of existing methods which either suffer from semantic drift or inability to handle occlusions in complex scene hierarchies. When we say occlusions in complex scene hierarchies, what it means is that when an object or part of an object is hidden or blocked from view by another object or surface, that is called as occlusion. In complex scene hierarchies, occlusion occurs when objects or surfaces are layered or nested, causing some parts to be obscured or hidden from the viewer's perspective. And there are three types of occlusions. There is object-oriented occlusion, where one object blocks the view of another object. There is a self-occlusion, where a part of an object is hidden by another part of the same object. Or we have multi-level occlusion, where objects or surfaces are layered, causing multiple levels of occlusions. And there are a lot of challenges in complex scene hierarchies like hidden assets, blurry renderings, ambiguity, gaps in rendering, and so on and so forth. So this project really addresses these challenges of existing methods. There are two key contributions of this method, but before I show you that, let me browse through and show you the how good that is. Look at this one. So the prompt is sandy beach, large driftwood in the foreground, calm sea beyond realism style. And you can see that it is a panoramic view, 3D view, which is very immersive, looks so realistic. It is 360-degree by 180-degree view, all consistent. How good is that? Now, as I was saying, there are three key contributions. First is text guided anchor view synthesis pipeline, which is a new pipeline by this project for generating high quality consistent panoramas from text prompts, preventing semantic drift and ensuring a consistent horizon level across all views. It also gives us a general solution to handle occlusions in complex scene hierarchies, allowing for free 3D exploration and enabling the creation of hyper immersive panoramic scenes. There are a lot of other examples scattered throughout this. For example, look at this one. This is sort of a free rendering at 0 degree, 45, minus 45 and 45 degree. So this is the first one. And if you look at its methodology, which I will show you shortly, that really describes it in great detail. Now look at this 3D rendering. How good is that? Amazing. Look at the camera movement. So, and the text prompt is very simple. A vibrant city avenue, bustling traffic, towering skyscrapers, cartoon style. That's about it. And you can see that it is covering everything which we have described in the prompt. Similarly, if you look at the second one, which we I think already saw, let's go to the next one. So rolling hills with oversized pumpkins and colorful flower fields under a vibrant sky, surreal landscape style. Pumpkins are a bit bigger, but that is fine. Very nice. Let's check out another one. It's a sheep grazing in a tranquil landscape. It is just covering everything in this panoramic view. Let's check out another one. This is a Stonehenge like structure in the middle of a vast plain, and look at the Stonehenge. Very nice. It is also asking it to be photorealism style. Looks quite good. Especially the sky and the clouds. They look photorealistic. The ground is not that photorealistic, but the sky is. Let's check out another one. It's an ancient stone fortress. Looks good. And the next one is, I think we already saw it. And then this is a sunny seaside village. Let's check it out. Not bad. And then we have next one, which looks quite good. Autumn park scene with people sitting on benches surrounded by colorful trees. This looks cool. And then we have this elegant home library with wooden bookshelves. Looks quite cool, especially the decorated ceiling. And then next one is a charming town square. Let's look at this whimsical bakery interior. And there is a colorful display of pastries and cartoon-like characters. That's correct. There are cartoon-like characters. Sounds cool. Yeah, looks nice. And then finally we have this pumpkin field with whimsical scarecrows. Cool. Now, if you look at the methodology of this, it is quite simple. What it does is it decomposes a reference 2D panorama into multiple layers at different depth levels, and then it uses a text guided anchor view synthesis pipeline to generate high quality panoramas. That's about it. And then it employs a layer construction pipeline to decompose the reference panorama into different depth layers and then synthesizes unseen space at each layer using a fine-tuned panorama in Painter. So all in all, looks really cool as this paper presents extensive experiments demonstrating the effectiveness of LayerPano3D in generating coherent, plausible and text-aligned 2D panoramas and full-view consistent explorable 3D panoramic environments. The framework surpasses state-of-the-art methods and provide a user-friendly interface for non-experts. And there are few other examples too if you're interested in their project. For example, look at this one. Again, a panoramic rendering at off-center points. Looks really cool. And there are a lot of applications as you can, if you go through this project of this, for instance, you can use it in virtual reality, in mixed reality systems, in spatial computing, in artificial intelligence generated content or AIGC, 3D environments, and which ultimately you can use it to enhance the user engagement and accessibility. And for example, look at this one. This looks so good, especially the way it has started. This looks quite photorealistic, I must say. Nice. Also, this one looks quite good. I wonder what would be. I think it's an image guided one. Yeah, looks quite good to me. So all in all, this new framework that generates hyper immersive panoramic scenes from a single text prompt looks really good. And the key contributions here are twofold. First, they have proposed a text-guided anchor view synthesis pipeline, and secondly, they have pioneered the layered 3D panorama representation to show complex scene hierarchies at multiple depth layers and lift it to Gaussians to enable free 3D exploration. So very impressive. The code is not out yet. As soon as it is out and if it fits on my GPU, I will make a hands-on video and I'm certainly going to show you. So stay tuned. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.